Ganyan.
Tommy. 5, 6, 7, go. 1,
Para akong nabuntis na. Diyos ko. Tanggalin mo yung suklay.
Oh my God!
Tapos dapat galing sa puso,
Galing
Tommy,
sa puso.
Miho.
Kailangan mararamdaman nila.
Wala naman.
Roger, kailangan mararamdaman niya pag ginawa nila.
Ba't kumakuryente din kayo?
God!
Go, 5.
Hindi na! Sabihin mo parang nararamdaman mo ka. Promise, promise, ha?
So just like 1, 2, 3, 4.
5.
Miho, dapat i-feel mo talaga yung katawan niya. Yan.
And then I'm like sideways a little.
Yeah.
Yan.
Yan daw?
Ganyan din.
How's your feet on? Ito.
Ganyan. Yan.
5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4,
and 5, 6.
7.
Dapat magsabay kayo sa wave kasi magdidikit yung ano nyo. Bahala.
Parang ako ano niya.
Bakit?
Di bagay sa akin!
Okay na.
Bagay.
Ano daw?
Doesn't serve me. Doesn't look good on her.
It doesn't look good on me. Look at the difference.
Serious,
Look at the
serious.
difference. He's like,
Okay na, oo.
how do you say the difference? He's like a man and I'm...
Tingnan mo yung... Hindi, okay lang yun.
Go.
5, 6, 7,
Ano ba na?
go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ano lang? 5, 6, 7,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8. Ganun na lang.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Counts na lang.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Yan.
go. 5, 6.
Look at the space. Tapos na
I know,
space.
no, because we're practicing now. Diba? Practice na.
Oo, practice. Kaya nga, ito nga. Nagpa-practice kami ka.
5, 6, 7, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Ah, okay, okay.
Yeah.
5, 6,
7,
7, 8.
8. O, tapos, then, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Go, wala pa.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Paano ba?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yan.
2, 3, 4.
Yan.
That looks so much better than me.
Go naman, wala pa.
What happened
Practice
here?
pa lang.
Okay.
6, 7,
1,
2,
2,
3, 4,
5,
6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Open. Open, close, open, close, open, close, open.
Dapat ba nakaganyan?
Sa parang buwelo lang, be.
Dapat ba nakaganyan?
Oh. Right, left, right, left. Yan.
Right,
pa.
left, right,
Right, left,
right,
Right.
left,
Left,
right, left.
oh, right leg. Open.
right.
Kanan.
And left, and right, and left.
So open.
Yes, correct. Yeah. Ulit. Ulit.
5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yan.
1.
Wow, nagsalita! Paano, be?
One. Hindi gagalaw to. Gagalaw.
Gagalaw daw eh. Ba't sabi ni Richard gumagalaw daw?
Sabi mo.
Akala ko tanong mo gumagalaw. Akala ko hindi gumagalaw. Ayun ang sabihin mo.
Ulit.
5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Paano yung kamay?
2, 3, 4.
Yan.
Ah, galing.
Ulit. From the top.
Go. Grab.
So after this, tapos move.
Yes. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2,
Kanan ba?
3,
Kanan ako kaliwa.
So pag gano'n mo, be. Yun na yan. Yan.
5, 6, 7, go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Kanan,
8.
kanan, kaliwa,
1, 2,
kanan,
3, and
kaliwa.
4.